Welcome to the Fox's Den. I'm Roxanne, and tonight I have another DIA&Co unboxing, and it's filled with beautiful things for autumn. Stay tuned. Okay, so here we go. Jessica V outdid herself again. I cannot wait to try all of these beautiful items on for you. So we're going to start off with this lovely dress. The dress is made by Mary Sky. It is a maxi dress. It's floor length. It's like a mock wrap in the front. It's stretchy. It is super, super soft. It has like a navy blue background with the big, giant, beautiful flowers. It reminds me of something that I already have, but the one I have comes a little bit below your knee, and I wear it with leggings. Very nice. Next is a very soft knit wraparound sweater by Juna Rose. It's gray, like a dove gray. It's very pretty. Has a sash. It even has a button that helps the wrap to connect in the back. I can't wait to try this on. A pair of trousers by Mira Lane. They're beautiful. They're like gray, and they have this really cool check to them. I love, you know me, and the finished. I think it's my mom because my mom was a sewer. Finished hems and has a little slit. Very cute. Very, very cute. Let's see. They're a pull-on pant. This is a sweater by Rafaela. It's gorgeous. I don't know how it's coming up on the camera, but it's this like magenta color. And it's not real thin, it's thick. Has little slits on the side. And then it has this beautiful studded neckline. Sweet. And then last but not least is another top. It's so lightweight. It almost feels like silk, but it's cotton. And it's gathered on the sides. It's this beautiful plum color. 3/4 sleeves. Oh, it's gorgeous. I love the V-neck. It could be probably dressed up and down. This one is by, Ryan Waith. Ryan Waith has the best, or Wythe, is that what it is? Ryan Waith has the best fabrics. Oh my goodness. Can't wait to try them all on. Beautiful fall colors, wonderful textures. It's going to be fun. The Ryan Waith top is $49 and the ankle pants are $65. The embellished keyhole top is $50. The knit wrap cardigan in light gray is $69. The wrap dress is $75. Okay, so if I kept all 5 items, it would come out to $211 with the discount, which is really nice. 5 items, a dress, a sweater, slacks, 2 tops, gorgeous stuff. Thank you, Jessica V. So if you haven't tried DIA&Co, you should. You're missing out. And you get to do all this in the comfort of your home. And they find the most amazing clothing, things I couldn't find on my own. Like I always say, I know how to dress myself. However, I do not have access to all these wonderful pieces of clothing. And they get shipped to my house, I try them on, and I always want to keep them. And if not, there's this big bag they send to you. You put the stuff in, you drop it off at the mailbox, and you're good to go. Okay, as always, thank you for tuning into the Fox's Den. I'm Roxanne, and you have a good night.